What's up YouTube? This is Boss Vlogs coming to you with another product review. Today's product review is unique. We are reviewing the Dbrand skin. So you guys are familiar with Kickstarter. This is a company that started off there. Mainly people know them for their skins. You can apply their skins to a whole range of devices, from iPhones to Galaxy, Samsungs, and the OnePlus devices, consoles as far as the Nintendo Switch, laptops, you name it. Dbrand apparently is a company that has, some of the top of the line skins. It's a unique way to apply it. We'll be testing that in this video. We'll be putting on the one that I ordered. So I ordered the white marble skin for my iPhone 10. And looks like you get two of them. You get one that applies to the full body of the phone, and then you get one that applies to just the back of the phone. Today, after seeing on Instagram what the phone looks like with it fully applied, I don't really like it, simply because with the iPhone 10, I like the chrome bezel that's around. I feel like it gives it a unique look, and if you put the other one on, it kind of takes away from that. So I started watching the video like they recommend on how to put this together. Definitely is not your easy to apply skin. However, once it's on there, it's definitely supposed to stay on there until you have to forcefully remove it. And with this being attached to 3M paper, you do have the ability to take it off and reapply. And they have unique ways that you apply it on there. So it should be not necessarily too hard, but possibly a challenge to get it on there. We'll see. That's the purpose of this review. So the first thing I want to do is actually clean my iPhone 10. I keep it in this clear case. You can say that I got it off of eBay. This case, really, the only reason why I purchased it is because it didn't really cover up the phone. It was clear. Still got to see the color of my iPhone. I really like the white version of the iPhone 10. Just because it has a lot of contrasting features compared to what the front of the phone looks like in the back. So, and then with the chrome. So I liked it like that. This is starting to get dirty. Dbrand does have a grip. The grip I've been wanting since Marquise Brownlee reviewed it on his YouTube channel. But recently they said that they're pushing back the release of it. If you go to their Twitter, the picture that they show really tells you they don't have to explain it. So I can't tell you guys why they pushed it back, but they did. But the grip itself is supposed to be very sticky. Not sticky as in adhesive, but almost impossible for you to drop your phone. Almost impossible for it to slide off of objects. So once they release that case, I will definitely scoop up one, and I'm happy to do a review for you. So now that we've taken it out of the case, it's time for me to actually clean this phone. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this phone. I'm going to fast forward it. Not going to put you guys through the process because this has been sitting in the case for the majority of the time that I've had it. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it up, and then we'll talk through things there. All right, guys. So I put it on to some extent. As you can see, it looks like it's on. It looks like it was done. It's complete. No, not at all. So this is still somewhat not as much as I press firmly. I've aligned it as much as possible. There is a second process that it wants you to go through to actually get this on. And that's where this comes in. This is the hair dryer. So I'll be heating up the sides, melting or getting it to where it's soft enough to start pressing it down. And then I'll use the cloth to actually buffer it. And that should mold it to the phone. Do not worry, this does not damage your phone. It's really the material that you're heating up so that you can mold it around. So I'm not going to put you guys through the sound of a hair dryer while you're watching this video. So we'll speed this up a little bit, as I don't know how long it's going to take me to get this accomplished. Appreciate your patience with that. Was a little bit different using the blow dryer. I still was nervous about my phone. Cut it on, make sure it's still a little bit warm. I didn't try to expose the heat too much on it, but you know, I can definitely see now the difference of using it. It actually molded everything down. So it's almost like it's part of the phone. Now, the very last process that I need to do is use the microfiber cloth that they gave me. And then I'm just supposed to just rub and smooth down these edges. It says do about 12 to 15 times. And this smooths it out from it having that feel. And this is what eventually completes the process. Oh, I see. Man, it does feel like it's part of the phone. It doesn't feel like a skin at all when you're doing it this way. So you gotta see the passcode. Alright. Man. Oh, it's like I don't even feel it. You feel slightly raised simply because it's not a thin skin, it's pretty thick. But it feels good. I don't know, guys, I actually like this. I wanted a Dbrand skin for a long time. I'm one of those people that can kind of procrastinate on getting what they want. Sometimes you got to treat yourself. $11, 15 with shipping. And I could have got a skin for the camera, but when you put it on, it just looked, I like the way this camera looks with it, without the skin on it, so it looks good. So I mean, there you have it, guys. This is the Dbrand. Oh, no calling 911. This is the Dbrand skin. This is the marble. I think it looks badass. It's a dope skin. Not overwhelming, just enough with a proper bumper, which is probably what I'm gonna go to now, because this feels like it grips like hand-wise. So with the proper bumper, I think this will definitely turn heads. It's unique. Not everybody will have a skin like this. Plus, they have plenty of options. You have carbon fiber skins, you have wood trim skins. There's so many different options that they offer. And you can kind of switch it up if you guys don't prefer to put anything on your phones. You can put it on your laptop or, you know, like a Nintendo Switch. I don't know if they have anything for like the Xbox One and the PS4, but if they do, that's just another unique way. And it's not like a $20 or $30 skin. It's $11. And for the camera, if you really want to put a skin on the camera, I believe it was like $1 or maybe like 25 cents. It was very cheap. So they're not trying to hit you in the head with these type of items. It's really cosmetic, but definitely waiting for the grip. When the grip comes out, that's my go-to bumper that I'm putting on there. And I'm just still smoothing it out, just making sure that, you know, it doesn't feel like it's going to catch on anything. But ultimately, guys, I feel like this was a success. So you have my approval. I review products here often, as you guys can see. Definitely wouldn't review this if I didn't think it was worth it. I wanted to make sure I paid for it and got it myself before I go out here and recommending to you guys to go out and get it yourself. So if you want a skin, if you want a case, if you want to check out the company, it's Dbrand. You can follow them on Twitter. They're pretty funny on Twitter. They have no filter. There's plenty of videos on YouTube. If you guys are iPhone 10 users, you can look at their new grip that they had through Kickstarter. Eventually, I think it's going to come out, but you can take a look at it and really see what the hype is. So make sure you drop a like on this video, thumbs it up, comment if you must. If you have a skin like this, tell me what your experience has been like. If you're interested in the grip, tell me what your process has been like waiting and the thoughts that you have going along with that. If there's any other products you guys want me to review, drop that in the comments as well. I'm definitely willing to review any product that I think you guys would enjoy. I'm a techie, so I have no problem doing the review. But this has been a great unboxing of sorts with a video on how to apply it. This is Dbrand. As they say, it's not a product, it's a culture. They send you to the website. There goes their Twitter, their Instagram, and I don't know what that is, but this is their website. Nice packaging that it comes in. Their whole thing is on robots and how they can take over the world. But I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs it up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and you guys take care.